Okay, so this has been online for I think 1-2 days or 3 days. That tennis player, what? Novak Djokovic. This is a nice name. DJ Djokovic. Like you said, how do you pronounce DJ Djokovic? Or maybe it's Djokovic. Maybe J is silent. Or Jovic. Anyway, hey, how are you, man? Sorry, woman. Okay, so anyway, we'll just use Novak. Sounds like Novaks. Those Novaks movement. So his name is also Novak. Novak chooses to Novak. Means no vaccine. So what do I think of this? One guy asked me, is he right? Is he wrong? Is the Australian government right, wrong? Okay. I'll give my thoughts. Now, Novak is a superstar, okay? He's a superstar. He has amazing star power. If he plays, obviously there'll be many eyeballs. He'll bring a lot of revenue, So, commercially speaking, it's a very profitable thing to have Novak play from a business standpoint. But now you're talking of entry into a country that has made all its citizens suffer literally, because they've been constantly harping and preaching about, listen, get yourself vaccinated, or you can't do this, you can't do that, we will not allow this, we will not allow that. And they did not allow anyone to come in. They did not allow, I don't know, in some cases, even in some countries, you're not allowed to go out. Like UAE is not going to allow its citizens to fly out. Okay. So now, when a country has its rules for human beings, the question is, can they make an exemption? Yes, of course, they can make an exception based on, maybe you're very rich or very powerful. Let's assume, for example, you're a head of state. Or let's assume you're Elon Musk or Jeff Bezos. And let's assume you didn't get a vaccination. Now, if a billionaire comes and he's bringing billions into the country, maybe they can make an exception. Obviously, they'll say, hey, this is not fair. Tell me, is life fair? Where is life fair, man? Is it fair in terms of opportunities? Is it fair in terms of money distribution? Where is it fair? Okay. What I personally feel is, you should follow the rules of a country. That's what I believe. Okay, you can tell me if I'm right or wrong. Like Thailand, for example, has its rules. I didn't want to get vaccinated, but then I happened to hear that they have already started to make it difficult for expatriates. My wife heard through her circles to go to banks, hospitals, and other thing. And when you have to travel, you have to take a 2 weeks quarantine. And just imagine if I have to travel emergency somewhere. 2 weeks quarantined when I reach there, then 2 weeks quarantine when I come back. 1 month is spent in a hotel where I have to spend from my own pocket. So now this is the rules of the country. So if I follow it. If I don't like, let's say get out. Their country, right? So I can't tell the country how to run their country. So in the same way, Novak cannot tell Australia, this is how you should do things. Australia can choose if it wants to make an exception. Now, I've read comments whereby this is racist. Had he been an American or can be. Okay, I'm not saying there's no remote possibility. Maybe if he was an American passport holder with some big powerful connections, all that, maybe they'd have made an exception. In fact, I do know of one particular celebrity who was given an exemption. And now, obviously, they play around with the rules and say medical exemption and all that. See, I'm of the opinion, it's a very simple thing. You follow the rules of the country. If you can get an exemption from the country by paying money or medically or cheating or some way, great. But if you start harping, oh, this is my rights and human rights and this and that, and he'll tell you fuck off. That's what they'll tell you. So end of the day, see, it comes down to a very simple thing. Novak knows what has to be done. In fact, to tell you honestly, I think Novak was an idiot. He, I think, stated on his Instagram, I'm going to be coming without a vaccine. He should have shut his mouth and not told anyone that he is, coming down without getting vaccinated. He was trying to brag and show, I'm special, look, for me, no vaccine. And that itself, sent a tsunami of attention and criticism. Had he kept his mouth shut, he's vaccinated or not, if he had not told anyone, and quietly just said, I'm coming down to play, that's it. Not answered, am I vaccinated, not vaccinated? He wouldn't have to go through all this shit and all this headache. To be honest with you, I think he's to blame. Seriously. Others, why he has to put this post? Oh, even though I'm not vaccinated or under medical exam. Shut your bloody mouth. Just go and say, I'm coming down to play. See you there. When you start, in today's day and age of social media, you start putting anything. It can be taken in any particular way. Like for example, The Rock, Dwayne Johnson. He gave this, free 4-wheel to his friend. Why do you think he's giving him? Okay, you might say he's giving out of love. But then why is he showing on social media? You think they didn't plan it out? The production crew and all that will stand here, we'll take a photograph, we'll take a video here, and this part will show it, and this part of the video, it's smooth flow, there's no interruption. You think they don't engineer all this, they don't plan all this out? Yeah, one Indian YouTuber is there, some Varun Proti or something. He'll always, the video always captures him doing good for the poor people. You think he's doing it out of a selfless heart? No. He knows that they plan it out. They sit down with the production team. Okay, what is our next video that we'll come out with? Okay, I'll be doing like this. Where the camera angles will be. 3 guys will be here, 2 guys will be here. We're looking at this angle shot. We'll take it on one take. Okay, we'll be giving here when I give the money. Make sure you zoom in. Then after the video is taken, they sit in the editing room. This angle comes out better. Oh, this one is much better. Yeah, put this one. Okay, focus on his eyes. Show the tear coming out. Put that, sweet music. Come on, man. The media manipulation at its best. Social media, and so everyone, they play around with all this. So for him, he was stupid enough not to be smart. So he's paying the price. Now who's to blame? Tell me. So, bottom line, what I feel, number one, Australia is a country, it has its rules. You want to enter, you follow their rules. Second, if you can make an exception, maybe because he's bringing in revenue or maybe he is beneficial to the country, fine. Play around with the rules. There are a lot of ways to play. Fake certificates, fake this, fake that. Third one, he's an idiot to go around bragging that he didn't get vaccinated. He should have shut his trap. And number 4, now he's suing the government and suing the... you're one man. You can't sue an entire country. And that also, all the members and politicians are relaxing in the house. He is having a tough time. Yeah, this is a good lesson for him. Now, just imagine 5 days in this shitty hotel and his life is made miserable. He'll not be in shape. He'll not be mentally in a frame of mind to play. And even if he plays, he might get eliminated. So what is the use of all this drama? Oh, a ferocious, dangerous looking. Better keep an eye on him. He might, gore me and I'll fly like, whee, Superman. He might land in Australia. Anyway. Alright, so this is what I wanted to tell you. You tell me, am I right? Am I wrong? Do you agree, disagree? Love to hear your views. Okay? Chalo, you guys take care. Tell me if I'm right or wrong. Tell me. Okay? Let me signing off. Yalla.